Okay, so I'm gonna test my spinner, and the way that I'm gonna do this is you take your spinner and you thread it into it so that you are spinning it, and then you're gonna spin and lift up, and that's gonna leave this spinning. So I have a stopwatch ready to go, and as soon as I release, I'm gonna come over and hit start on my stopwatch. So let's do first attempt. All right, I was a little slow on that, but it was about 6 seconds. Okay, let's try again. All right, that was about 7.5 seconds. So now I'm gonna try this one, which has a smaller axle. And I like to make predictions, and I predict because when I saw this one go, it was a little wobbly, and that might be because there was so much weight up top here. So I actually think that this one, oops, sorry, I moved my camera, that this one is gonna spin for longer because it won't be as wobbly at the top. So I'm gonna spin. Sorry, it's hard to see my stopwatch. That was about 6 seconds. So let's try again. And that looked like that had a good spin to it. Okay, that one was 8, almost 9 seconds. So do this 3 times each. Record the data. Do it as precise as you want. And then what you could do is come up with your own creations. Okay, so I'm gonna try this one. And so I did both of these, so it's a little bit more weight down below. And I hope this is gonna go even further. So let's try this one. Get my stopwatch ready. Much further. Okay, this is good. So that was almost 13.5 seconds. So I'm thinking that the more weight I can add to the bottom, the better it's gonna be. All right, I know you guys don't have the same Legos that I do, but I've got this really heavy wheel, and I just wanted to see if this would be the best spinner that I could make with all the Legos that I have at my house. So I'm using the 40-tooth gear because that's gonna be how I wind it up, and then we're gonna see how long this goes for. Okay, get my stopwatch ready. All right, that was 28 seconds. Not bad. Okay, so a couple takeaways today. When you're making your own, try different length axles. So try like a really small axle like this. So try different size axles and try different weight distributions. So what I mean is, you know, put one down here and then up here and then try spinning it. Or put this all the way up at the top and try spinning it. Well, I can't get enough spin without. So try, you know, moving where your weight is around on the axle, as well as adding more weight or less weight So there's a lot of modifications that you guys can make today, and the overall goal is for you to just figure out what creates the best spinner that can spin the longest. All right, good luck.